This is my neighbor's gorgeous Christmas cactus. She's had this for quite some time, and she actually repotted this a little while ago, but she doesn't like how it looks, so she bought a new pot and asked if I would redo it for her because she knows I love plants and I love repotting things. So I'm going to put it in the container that she wants and then give it back to her. Before I get started, I want to show you my Christmas cactus. My neighbor gave me this segment around Christmas time off of this mother plant, and it hasn't done much except it did give me a new piece right there. The roots are amazing. It's just it hasn't grown. And I've killed this so many times in soil, so I no longer grow mine like this, but I love it. It's so cute. It is 111 degrees right now, and it is awfully hot. But I need to get this job done. The most difficult part of this is going to be removing this. In one piece. I don't know if I can do this. Oh, well, there we go. Look. I'm gonna set this down. That was much easier than I thought it was going to be. I am going to take a piece for myself right now. All right, so cool. I hope she doesn't mind. I'm gonna put it right into this. I am all done. It's super hot outside. I need to go back inside and get some water, but I wanted to show you what it looks like in the pot. I am super excited to give this to her. I hope she likes it. The pot is actually perfect. I thought it was too small, but I love it. I hope she does too. This plant likes humidity, and you can't overwater it or it will die. I've killed so many of these. To me, it's finicky, but there are some people who can grow this and it looks so good, but not me. Whenever this thing flowers, it's got a beautiful red bloom to it. It's so pretty. I love this plant. It is the next day, and I am going to take this over to my neighbors. Oh, it looks so beautiful. here are her other plants that I've already done for her. Everything's dying because it is so hot out. Let's put this right here. Oops. Now I gotta go to my other neighbor's house and take a look at her plants.